Picture the cosmos, a vast expanse of mystery and wonder. Now imagine the red planet, Mars, a symbol of our fascination and curiosity. But what if Mars were suddenly replaced by a super-Earth? How would this change our cosmic neighborhood, and what might it mean for us? To understand this scenario, we first need to know what a super-Earth is. These are exoplanets, or planets outside our solar system, that are heavier than Earth, yet significantly lighter than ice giants like Neptune and Uranus. They usually have a mass between 2 and 10 times that of Earth, and can be composed of various materials, from rock to ice, or even be covered in oceans. Now envision a cosmic event where Mars transforms into a super-Earth, remaining in the same orbit. This celestial reshuffle would have far-reaching implications for our solar system and life on Earth. The increased mass of a super-Earth would disrupt the gravitational harmony of our solar system. Its stronger gravitational pull could alter the orbits of neighboring celestial bodies, possibly destabilizing a balance that has been maintained for billions of years. The orbit of this super-Earth could intersect with those of other planets, causing gravitational interactions that could lead to collisions or changes in orbital paths. These changes could ripple across the solar system, reshaping its structure over time. The introduction of a super-Earth would also have profound effects on the climate and geology of our solar system. Its gravitational influence could trigger tectonic activity on nearby planets, causing volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and other geological phenomena. But what about the search for life beyond Earth? If this super-Earth has conditions suitable for life, it could open up new possibilities for astrobiological exploration, prompting us to rethink the existence of extraterrestrial life. From a scientific perspective, the arrival of a super-Earth would offer invaluable opportunities for research and discovery. Scientists would eagerly study its composition, atmosphere, and geological features to gain insights into the diversity of planetary systems in the universe. While the notion of Mars being replaced by a super-Earth is purely speculative, it serves as a mental exercise in understanding the complexities of our solar system and the universe at large. By entertaining such hypothetical scenarios, we broaden our horizons and deepen our appreciation for the intricacies of the cosmos. Whether or not such an event could ever transpire, the pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of exploration continue to fuel our journey into the vastness of space.